Hey everybody, it's Josh, Valley RV Supercenter, your personal RV outfitter, here to show you a brand new trailer for 2025 that I am incredibly excited about. It is the Jay Feather Air, a lightweight 4-season trailer. We've got our climate shield here. That means this trailer is rated from 0 to 100 degrees. So don't worry about the summer, don't worry about the winter. You can use this year round. We've got some nice height here for getting up to those logging roads so you can do some boondocking. Always with a Jayco here, the most stable stairs in the industry. Let's take a look at this brand new model, the 18 MBH Jay Feather Air. So as we come inside, we can see there is great seating, great accommodations. One of my favorite things about this trailer, you don't have to lose space to a dinette. You do have a bar style as well as additional storage underneath. As we move forward, the TV, tons of Amish built hardwood cabinetry. Lots more storage over here. As we come forward, nice big spacious bathroom that even 6 foot will fit. Vanity in here. As we move around to the other side here, we've got dual bunks here. These are rated for 300 pounds each. Coming into the kitchen area, great deep sink, very usable. Moving to a 2-burner cooktop. We do have solar on board this, as you can see. To a nice microwave to reheat something, as well as a huge 12-volt fridge. One of the things I love about this is it's easy to sit back and relax, or in a matter of about, you can time me, I don't know, about 6 seconds, and you have your Murphy bed. What's dynamite about the Jayco is they use the cap, so you don't have to unmake your bed every time you want to put it away. Everything can stow. You can also put things up here while you're traveling. And it's literally that easy. So if you have any questions, if you'd like a personal tour of one of these in person, please feel free. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Josh Judge, Valley RV Supercenter. You can get me anytime at 253-737-2048. Look forward to camping this year.